What is going on today, guys? I'm going to be talking about what to look for in 2023. What are some of the trends, marketing trends you should be looking out for? If you're an agency owner, business owner, what should you be focusing your attention on as far as what's going to be trending for underpriced attention, getting you more conversions in the business and helping you grow? So before I get into this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on today's video. It's down below. Really appreciate it. It helps us, put out more videos just like this and obviously be able to grow and put out more content like this. So let's get right into it. Number one thing that I'll be focusing on as far as 2023 marketing trends and all of that is definitely TikTok. TikTok ads is very underpriced right now. It's like Facebook back in 2015. And if you're a business owner, you know that Facebook right now is costly. Google's costly unless you hone in on the right interests and obviously the right keywords, and you obviously know how to build those campaigns, Performance Max, getting used to all those new nuances within Google ads. But TikTok ads right now are the most underpriced attention, cheaper lead cost, cheaper cost per click, easier to obviously spend money and test creatives faster so that you can obviously churn that asset ongoing. So that's the first thing, right? TikTok ads are going to be huge in 2023. They're going to become more competitive. Number two is your creatives, okay? And it's not really a trend, but it's just like something to look out for. A lot of businesses right now are trying to half-ass their creatives. They're trying to do it all on their own. You need to focus on UGC and like promo-based content with UGC, which is user-generated content, getting influencers, getting other people to take your product and make videos with it and obviously become testimonials, social proof, people that you can put on a landing page for social proof reasons, also running the UGC on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and even YouTube Shorts. And that's what I'm going to get to in number three. But being able to get the right content on a UGC basis, you can use TikTok Creator Marketplace. You can pay influencers. I've seen some of them $30-50 for a video. You ship them the product, they make the video, they come back, and you got a video within 7 to 10 days. I'm always about moving the needle in my business. So I take the product, I next day ship it, person makes the video. You could probably get a video in 3 to 5 days if you really hustle and you value the time more than the money. And number three is the YouTube Shorts. For all of us right now who are on Instagram, it is organically dead. It is very hard to grow on Instagram. And the best way though is Instagram Reels. And then, obviously TikTok and cross-platforming that to YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a huge gold mine right now. A lot of videos can go viral and get a couple thousand views, and there's not really much effort applied. You can grow your channel just like we've been growing our channel with YouTube Shorts just by simply making Instagram Reels, then posting them on TikTok, and then platforming them to YouTube Shorts. That's a huge arbitrage that we've seen. So if you're looking at content, you're posting all these Instagram feed videos, trying to look cool, focus your attention on Reels. Focus your attention on TikTok and YouTube Shorts and long form content like this on YouTube. This is an asset that I didn't do years and years ago, which I regret, and I don't want you to fall in that same boat. So if you're young right now, you're starting your business, you're looking for underpriced attention and assets to build, you really got to focus on YouTube. TikTok right now is underpriced, and obviously Instagram Reels. And then that brings me to number four. So as far as trends things left for, new social platforms. Twitter just got bought by Elon Musk. So Twitter now is going to be a huge arbitrage. They're going to probably change the ad platform, which is going to become a beta. So make sure that you look out for that, and I'll keep you guys posted on all of that. And then number five is going to be Rumble. So ever since Andrew Tate got kicked off Instagram and all these big apps, he partnered with Rumble, and Rumble's starting to become a big social platform as well. So Rumble and Twitter, those are two platforms to really look out for in 2023 that you should be capitalizing on. So, and then number six is going to be Vine. They're actually trying to bring Vine back right now. I don't know the exact specifics yet. I'll keep you all posted on that, but Vine might be coming back. And if that's the case, you need to be an early adopter. You need to get back on that platform and use all the stuff that's been working for you on TikTok and move that over to Vine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're an agency owner, by the way, and you want to get 8 new clients in the next 8 weeks, I have a challenge masterclass that I have right now where I'm looking for 50 agency owners, give or take, who want to get 8 new clients in the next 8 weeks guaranteed and get personal access to me within our small case study group. I'm only limiting this to 40 to 50 people before I raise the price to $2,997. But if you click the first link in the description below, you can get it for $997. And also we have a payment plan option for $397 a month over 3 months, so we can make it better barrier to entry for some of you who can't afford $997. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want access to that program, then just click the first link in the description. And remember, it's guaranteed if you don't get any new clients in the next 8 weeks, or you don't double your ROI on the investment. So if you don't make 2K back, I'll give you all the money back. So you don't lose anything and you keep all the assets within the program. So click the first link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.